Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hello guys, meet me again in New CNC channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how we can showing the developer menu in the Microsoft Excel. Okay, the developer menu or developer tab is usually for micro document, and by default Microsoft Office, especially in Microsoft Excel, this menu is nothing in here. So how to showing up this developer menu? Okay, first you can choose office button here and then go to Excel options. Okay, sorry, office button and then Excel options. You can see this show developer tab in the ribbon. Now check this and just click OK like this. Okay, now you can see the developer tab or menu in here. Now you can insert anything for you to design, especially macro document or program. And that's all guys. How to showing developer tab in Microsoft Excel. Okay. Hope this short video will uh, useful for you. Thanks for watching and bye bye.